Okay, we're working out of the Math 1 book, page 114, numbers 1 through 6. Determine whether the given value is a solution of the equation. So that value there, is it a solution of the equation? In other words, if I substitute in 3 for x, does it give me 0? So basically all I'm doing is checking to see whether this one gives me 0. So I'm gonna substitute in a 3. 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 15. Is it equal to 0? Please don't work on both sides of the equation on this problem because we're not actually finding a variable. All we're doing is seeing whether or not it ends up being a true statement. So this is 9 minus 6 plus 15 equals 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 15. Well, is 3 plus 15 equal to 0? Well, no, not on this planet. So therefore, 3 is not a solution. Three is not a solution. Okay. So, number 3. Substitute in 3 to see if it gives you 0. So, please be careful. Anytime there's a negative sign outside of a variable, you got to write negative and then you put in your x value. Is it equal to 0? Well, 3 squared is 9, and then there's a negative sitting out in front of it. Minus 15 minus 6 equals 0. And this equal sign is sort of like, is it equal? So, you know, there's sort of a question mark above all of them, right? Is it equal to 0? And then in the last statement, you can mark it out if you want to. It's actually not equal for that one. But anyways, so here we go. Negative 9 minus 15 would be negative 26, I believe. No, negative 24. Is that right? Negative 9 minus 15, negative 24. I have to think sometimes, sorry. So, yep, that's right. Equals 0 and negative 30. Is that equal to 0? And you're saying, of course not. No. So therefore, 3 is not a solution to this particular equation. And lastly, hopefully I've picked one that does have a solution, but we'll see. Or, you know, but let's see if 2 will go in for these x's and I'll actually get a 0 this time. So 3 parentheses 2 squared minus 5 parentheses 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the mistake here is where people will accidentally say that this is 6 squared. It's not 6 squared, it's 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 10 minus 2 equals 0. 12 minus 12. So 0 equals 0. Since that is true, you're going to say that 2 is a solution. 2 is a solution to this equation. Okay? And that's it.